Best deals. 1. Roti press. With this puri press, you can create various types of dough, including flour, corn, gluten-free, and paleo options. It's perfect for making quesadillas, arepas, tostones, and more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mortar pestle set. The block shape provides excellent stability, preventing movement while grinding. Perfect for small or medium grinding tasks in your daily cooking. Made from natural stone, ensuring it will last for generations. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Colander. Ideal for rinsing, straining, and draining a variety of foods. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg holder. Simply insert up to 6 eggs into their tummies to make their colony complete. Place this cute and charming egg holder into a boiling pot of water to make hard or soft boiled eggs. Serve it on the table or store it in the fridge. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pepper shakers. This transparent seasoning bottle lets you control the perfect amount of salt, sugar, or spices every time. Its push-type design ensures mess-free pouring. It's easy to use and store. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Garlic press. This garlic crusher is made of high-quality, food-grade material, so you do not have to worry about rusting at all. This garlic press doesn't just end at garlic, it also can crush ginger. Easy to clean. Just rinse it under your faucet, or in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sink strainer. Designed with a collapsible structure, this corner sink drain basket provides a space-saving way to collect and dispose of food scraps, leftovers, and other debris, keeping your sink clean and free from clogs. Made from durable plastic PP in stainless steel. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dish drying rack. It's a handy tool that allows you to easily rinse and dry small items to keep your kitchen clean. Ideal for accommodating sponges, brushes, hand soap, dishes and more. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Desk organizer. Hidden storage does not occupy desktop space, and can expand storage space on any smooth surface. This drawer can hold around 2.5 kgs weight and do not drop off. The edges and corners are smoothly polished, and the ceiling is good to prevent dust. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Scoop. With durable stainless steel that won't chip, pit or rust and a pop-up lever that releases scoops with a simple press. The handle features a soft, non-slip grip that absorbs pressure to minimize effort. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Soap dispenser. Made of high-quality ABS material, safe BPA-free, environmental health, and corrosion-resistant. Fashionable and convenient practical, it is an excellent choice for your kitchen sink organizer and gifts. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen sink settings. It's easy to clean and compactly store. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Shelves. The Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Silicone air fryer. Reusable air fryer silicone pots can replace other air fryer pans or disposable parchment paper. The carefully designed 360 degrees air circulation structure makes the heat distribution more uniform so that your food can be cooked perfectly in a shorter time and no more risk of flammability. Silicone air fryer liners are totally dishwasher safe, help you to save your time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Grater. Effortlessly crush ginger and garlic for teas or recipes, or even slice fruits with a smooth glide. This grater handles it all with ease. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cheese grater. The ultimate kitchen companion designed for culinary precision and efficiency. Expertly crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this versatile kitchen tool extends beyond a simple cheese grater. It is your all-encompassing solution. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Piping bags. Great for all your baking and decorating adventures. Used to decorating cake, cupcakes, cookies, candy, fondants, pies, donuts, the possibilities are endless. This piping bag is reusable. These cake decoration items, piping bags with nozzles set for cake decoration. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Squeegee. The flexible silicone and the combination of flat and curved edges makes clearing leftover food from plates and bowls a breeze. Shaped for control, comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Trash bin. The lid of the trash can is designed to have an excellent sealing so there would be no unpleasant scent from the contents. Furthermore, the trash can lid can be open, closed through either lifting or sliding, making it convenient for most cook use. 2 ways to open slide lid down or flip it up. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Vegetable storage bag. It is made from heavy quality mesh fabric and premium zipper to long life. The see-through fabric gives you the convenience to easily know what is kept inside without opening the bag again and again. It's heavy quality mesh bags for storing vegetables, fruits, accessories, toys. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Egg holder. Dispenser is a practical kitchen accessory designed to store eggs efficiently. It features separate compartments or racks that allow you to store multiple eggs securely while keeping them easily accessible. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Tea filter. Experience pure tea flavor with unbleached, food-grade filter. Securely seal tea leaves with an easy drawstring for effortless brewing anywhere. Enjoy sturdy, leak-proof tea bags that withstand boiling water confidently. It's strong and durable and ensures longevity. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Bottle cleaner brush. Made of high-quality stainless steel and durable nylon material, which is comfortable and durable, harmless to the human body, and will not leave scratches on the bottle. Comfortable and durable, harmless to the human body, and will not leave scratches on the bottle. You can clean for most of the bottle, so you'll have everything you need to keep your drinkware sparkling clean. Reach the bottom of tall bottles, jars, and containers effortlessly with a long, narrow handle. The sleek design makes it easy to grip and store, perfect for modern kitchens with limited space. The soft yet sturdy bristles scrub away grime without scratching glass or plastic. Ideal for cleaning water bottles, baby bottles, decanters, and more. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Curd maker. This easy-to-use kitchen tool helps you make thick, creamy, and preservative-free yogurt in the comfort of your home. Perfect for preparing hung curd, labneh, cream cheese, dips, and spreads. Crafted from durable, BPA-free food-grade plastic, the strainer ensures hygiene. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Drying mat. Fits perfectly into your faucets and sinks to help collect and drain water that accidentally drips while washing dishes, washing hands. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Bowl. Designed for efficient grating, mixing, and storage. This high-quality stainless steel bowl comes with 3 interchangeable grater attachments. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Knife set. Elevate your culinary experience with this meticulously crafted set that seamlessly combines style and performance. Product link is given in the 26th link.